How to get NBA League Pass for 2K24. The first things first is simply access any preferred web browser for you to be able to redirect to nba.com/league. Now, for you to be able to get here on your web browser, just simply type in NBA League Pass. Now, there's gonna be multiple results that's gonna be visible on Google, but all you have to do is to choose on a certain link that will reroute you directly to nba.com. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is you can try to click on League Pass on a yellow button right here, or you can just simply scroll down. Now, this is gonna be their subscription for you to be able to get this. Now, for League Pass with commercials, that's gonna cost you around this specific amount. Now, this is a peso currency. That's gonna be per season, and you can also try it for free. Now, this is only available for one device, and it includes 24/7 NBA TV, but that does not include offline viewing. Offline viewing is only available for premium accounts. Now, if you have or if you will subscribe on this subscription right here, there is going to be commercials that will be visible. But if you try to subscribe with League Pass Premium, that's going to be up to three devices included with 24/7 NBA TV. It also includes offline viewing, and it includes an arena stream instead of commercials. So that's it. That's how you get NBA League Pass in 2024.